So there's thousands, hundreds, there's so many life insurance agents here in the Philippines. You name it. They're coming from the red company, the yellow company, the green, the orange company. So the bottom line is there's so many agents out there. But the real question is, how do I stand out amongst all the advisors? So let's talk about it in this video. So this is one of the things that I always get asked when I'm with friends, with clients, or even with potential recruits. So Joseph, how do you stand out or how do you make yourself different from all the other life insurance agents? And I think this is a really valid question and really important question as we go about in this business. So there's two things, no, that I do specifically. Number one is um, I never stop following up on my prospects until they turn to be my clients. So merong famous line dyan si Ryan Serhant, you know. It's either you die or you buy from me. So I'll never stop texting, calling, email, or whatever platform ko yan or whatever channel that I can follow up on you on my proposal until you buy, I'll still be there. Doesn't matter ilang months na yan, ilang weeks na yan. I'm still gonna pick up my phone, gonna call you, gonna text you, remind you, sir, I'm here, Joseph's here, I'm waiting for you to say, yes, let's proceed and buy. So, follow up is key in sales. You know, it's in the follow up always. Doesn't really happen usually on the first hitting, but you have to follow up, remind, follow up again, answer an objection, then motivate that buyer to go and proceed. The second thing that I do differently is I'm quite frank, quite honest to my clients. I'll tell you directly that this product is not the best for you right now, even if you can afford it, or I'll tell you directly, this is not the best plan for you right now, or honestly, I don't want to work with you, or this is not the best time for us to start this relationship. It doesn't mean it's gonna be a closed door, but it's just temporary for now. Could be the future. The thing is that, oh, I think this is better allocated in a different fund. So now is the time to move your funds from Fund A to Fund B. So I'll tell you directly, and that's for your interest also as an investor. So those are the two things that I try to do very specifically to differentiate myself from the many advisors out there. First, I never stop following up on you. Second is I'll be the very honest and frank advisor out there, especially if it's for your best interests.